Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Coinbase application in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and then download the Coinbase application and install it. Once you've done that, it is going to go ahead and launch the app, and it is going to ask you to choose to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Simply create one. Then it is going to go ahead and let you secure your wallet. So back up your secret recovery phrases and store it securely offline. Then you can also ensure the base network is selected for optimal low-cost transactions. And you can transfer ETH or other assets from your Coinbase account or other wallets into the Base network. Explore the built-in D-app browser to find and connect to Base ecosystems and confirm transactions and swaps on Base, taking advantage of significantly lower network fees. You can also monitor your multiple asset or multi-asset portfolio and view transaction history on Base Chain. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.